Hi guys, it's me Delaney, and today I'm going to be mixing some of my slimes. At first I thought this was a very bad idea, but then once I put some slimes together and sampled, I was like, okay, this is really good. Okay, so right now I have this really good non-stick glitter slime, and then this is some googly slime. Okay. You hear it? Okay. I just mixed it together. It is really, really good. Wow, look at that glitter. This is amazing. Wow, I made a really good idea. Okay, next up, I have these two foam slimes. One's green and one's blue. They're both pretty sticky, but we'll just see. They're both clear blue, though. This one's pretty thick. Here it goes. I think it would mostly be like dark green since there's more green than blue, but you never know. Wow, look at this color. This is so cool. This was really a good idea. Okay, so next up, I have these pretty good slimes. I mean, they're both kind of thick. This one, I think, is butter slime, even though I put some Play-Doh inside of it, tried to make it morph. Didn't work. This one is really thick, fluffy slime. It's not exactly fluffy slime, but this one I wasn't sure about the sample, so here it goes. Break this one over here. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Look. So cool. Wow. Well, thanks for watching my video. Give me lots of thumbs ups and subscribes. Bye.